Welcome to ElevenLabs, the best AI voice generator that transforms text into speech with remarkable realism. Discover the power of ElevenLabs as we explore its features and capabilities, starting with a simple search. Let's delve deeper into the search results to understand what makes ElevenLabs stand out in the AI voice generation space. Clicking on the free text-to-speech link, we begin our journey into the world of AI-driven voice creation. ElevenLabs offers a platform to create the most realistic speech, perfect for various applications and industries. Explore the diverse options available on ElevenLabs platform, from text-to-speech to voice cloning and more. Welcome to your ElevenLabs dashboard, where you can access a variety of tools to create and manage your voice projects. Navigate through the dashboard to find tools and features that enhance your voice creation experience. Explore the Voices section to find a wide range of voice options suitable for different needs and preferences. Discover the variety of voices available, each designed to cater to specific styles and requirements. Select the perfect voice for your project, ensuring it aligns with your desired tone and style. Return to the dashboard to continue exploring the tools and features that ElevenLabs offers. Understand the credit system, which allows you to manage your usage based on text length and voice model. Learn how to convert text to speech using ElevenLabs' intuitive interface and powerful AI technology. Customize your voice settings to achieve the perfect sound for your project, adjusting parameters as needed. Monitor your character count to ensure your text fits within the limits for speech generation. Generate speech with a click, transforming your text into lifelike audio using ElevenLabs' advanced AI. Experience the seamless playback of your generated speech, showcasing the quality and realism of ElevenLabs' technology. Continue refining your text and voice settings to perfect your audio output, utilizing ElevenLabs' comprehensive tools. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below.